We've all experienced that moment. At the airport check-in desk, you see your bag slide down the conveyor belt. Your heart races slightly. Will it really arrive at the destination? Here's the scary truth. Every year, millions of bags never arrive where they should. Some are misplaced. Some are tampered with. Some are stolen outright and vanish into thin air. And most travelers? They don't realize it until they're standing in their hotel room, staring at an empty suitcase with belongings gone. But not you. Not after this video. Because today I'm giving you 15 powerful hacks to protect your luggage from theft, tampering, and loss. Hacks most travelers don't even know exist. By the end, you'll travel smarter, safer, and with way more peace of mind. And trust me, you'll want to stick with me until the very last tip, because number one is something so simple, so overlooked, yet it could literally save your entire trip. Oh, and if you love smart travel tips that save you stress, time, and even money, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Because here, we don't just travel, we travel smart. All right, let's dive in. (15) Choose a hard-shell suitcase. Imagine this. You've got a soft-sided fabric suitcase. It looks fine, maybe even stylish. But a thief only needs one thing to break into it: a pen. That's it. Just a ballpoint pen shoved between the zipper teeth and they're in. Soft bags are like open invitations to criminals. Hard-shell suitcases, especially ones made from polycarbonate or aluminum, change the game. They're like portable safes. If baggage handlers toss them around, your items are cushioned. If a thief tries to cut through, good luck. Solid shells don't slice open like fabric. Some even come with metal latches instead of zippers, which make them basically impenetrable. Treat your suitcase like you would treat your front door. You wouldn't leave it unlocked, right? Then don't let your bag be that easy to crack open. 14. Fewer zippers, fewer problems. Every zipper is a potential weak spot. Think about it. Bags with 6, 7, 8 zippers all over the outside look convenient, but each one is just an extra opportunity for someone to unzip, grab, and go. Thieves don't need minutes. They need seconds. And outside pockets? Even worse. They're easy to reach, and guess what most people put in them? Passports, boarding passes, chargers, wallets, the good stuff. Here's the smarter play. Keep your bag design clean and simple. 1 or 2 main zippers max. Use packing cubes inside to organize your clothes and gear. On the outside, nothing for a thief to grab. The simpler your bag looks, the less tempting it is. 13. Upgrade to anti-puncture zippers. Here's a creepy little trick called the pen trick. A thief presses a pen between your zipper teeth, slides it along, and boom, the bag pops open. After stealing your things, they can zip it back up and you'll never know until too late. But anti-puncture zippers shut that trick down. Their teeth interlock so tightly that you can't just push them apart. Even better, some bags ditch zippers completely and use latches, clamps, or locks. When you're buying a new suitcase, don't just look at size and color. Check the zippers. That tiny detail could mean the difference between keeping your valuables or losing them forever. 12. TSA locks aren't enough. Now let's talk locks. TSA locks are standard on most bags. They're designed so airport security can open your bag without breaking it. But here's the issue. They're flimsy. A determined thief with a screwdriver, a paperclip, or even pliers can snap them in seconds. That's why you need something stronger. Invest in a hardened steel lock with anti-pick technology. Even better? A cable lock that threads through your zipper, pulls, and wraps around your handle. That way, even if someone tries to yank the zipper apart, they can't open the bag. Criminals are like water. They flow toward the easiest path. If your lock looks tough, they'll skip you and move to the next bag. 11. Add security seals or zip ties. This one's clever. A tamper-evident security seal is a little plastic tag that clips onto your zippers. The only way to open the bag is to break it. That means the moment you see it snapped, you know someone's been inside. Even a simple bright-colored zip tie works. Cheap, easy, and super effective. Not because they're unbreakable, but because they scream, "This bag is being watched." Thieves don't want extra steps. They want quick, quiet, and invisible. Zip ties and seals ruin that for them. 10. Make your bag look boring. You know those shiny designer suitcases with glossy finishes and luxury logos? Yeah, those are basically giant neon signs saying, "Steal me." Thieves assume expensive luggage means expensive things inside. The trick? Go boring. Stick to black, navy, or gray. Add duct tape, stickers, or even scuff marks. The more ordinary your bag looks, the more it blends in. And blending in is safety. Thieves don't go after boring. They go after glamorous. In this case, boring is brilliant. 9. Wrap your bag in plastic. At many airports, you'll see those kiosks where staff spin your suitcase around, wrapping it in tight cling film. And you might think, what's the point? Here's the point: it adds an extra noisy, messy barrier. A thief would have to rip and tear through layers of plastic, which draws attention fast. Plus, it keeps your suitcase safe from rain, scratches, and dirt. No kiosk. Do it yourself with a roll of cling film at home. Just avoid covering the wheels and handles. Cheap, simple, effective. 8. Take photos before you fly. This one's easy but powerful. Before your trip, grab your phone and snap 2 sets of pictures, the outside of your suitcase and the inside contents. Why? If your bag disappears, you won't be fumbling to describe it. You'll have proof: its color, size, brand, labels, and everything that was inside. This makes airline claims and insurance way faster. It also shuts down any argument about what you did or didn't pack. 5 seconds of effort can save hours of frustration later. 7. Keep valuables in your carry-on. This might be the most important mindset shift. Your checked bag is not safe. Never, and I mean never, check your valuables. That means passports, laptops, cameras, jewelry, or cash. Keep those with you in your carry-on. Think of your carry-on as your emergency kit. If your checked bag vanishes completely, you should still have everything you truly need to survive your trip. That way, even if the worst happens, your trip isn't ruined. 6. Use GPS trackers technology to the rescue. Slip a GPS tracker like an Apple AirTag or Tile into your suitcase under your clothes. If your bag gets lost, you don't have to wait for the airline's "we're not sure where it is" response. You'll know exactly where it is in real time. I've seen countless stories where passengers recovered their bags before the airline even realized they were missing. For the price of a dinner out, you get peace of mind. That's a trade worth making. 5. Don't check your bag too early. Here's a mistake frequent flyers make. They think, "I'll just check my bag super early so I don't have to carry it." But the longer your suitcase sits unsupervised in the system, the more chances it has to be misplaced or messed with. The sweet spot? 60 to 90 minutes before departure. That way, your bag goes directly to the plane instead of sitting around in storage rooms where bad things can happen. 4. Skip priority or fragile labels, those little tags that say priority or fragile. They don't just catch staff attention. They catch thief attention. To a criminal, those words mean expensive electronics inside. Unless your bag truly needs special handling, don't make it stand out. The best security is invisibility. Your bag should blend in with all the others on the carousel, not scream special cargo. 3. Change the default lock code. Guess what codes thieves try first? Almost every new suitcase lock comes preset with 0,000 or 134. Exactly those. Change it immediately. And don't make it your birthday or your phone number. Those are easy guesses too. Pick something memorable but unique and keep it safe. A lock only works if it's actually locked. 2. Never leave your bag unattended. This feels obvious, but you'd be amazed how many people walk away from their luggage just for a second. Airports are fast, chaotic, and distracting. A thief only needs 2 seconds to grab your bag and vanish. Stay alert at baggage claim. Keep a hand on your suitcase when you're waiting in line. If you're traveling with someone, take turns watching. Your eyes are the best security system you've got. Use them. 1. Travel insurance, your final safety net. Here's the truth. Even with every tip on this list, sometimes bad luck strikes. That's where travel insurance saves you. A good plan covers lost, stolen, or delayed luggage. Some even reimburse you for essentials if your bag doesn't arrive on time. It's not just about bags either. Insurance covers missed flights, medical emergencies, and cancellations. It's the one hack travelers forget until they need it. And when they need it, it's a lifesaver. Your suitcase carries more than clothes. It carries your peace of mind. The airport is a chaotic, unpredictable place. But with these 15 hacks, you've got the tools to stay one step ahead. So, choose the right bag, lock it properly, track it, and never underestimate the power of boring-looking luggage. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more life-saving travel tips, and share your own luggage hacks in the comments. Because here we're not just travelers, we're smarter travelers. And your journey? That's our signature.